PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides professional AC tune-up in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses keep their air conditioning systems operating efficiently and reliably. Regular AC tune-ups are essential for preventing unexpected breakdowns, improving energy efficiency, and extending the lifespan of your cooling equipment. Our experienced technicians perform comprehensive inspections, clean critical components, check refrigerant levels, and ensure your system is running at peak performance. Routine maintenance helps maintain consistent indoor comfort while reducing energy costs and costly repairs. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for dependable AC tune-up services that keep your cooling system ready for the warmest months. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a AC tune-up near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What are signs my AC system needs a tune-up? Signs include weak airflow, inconsistent cooling, unusual noises, unpleasant odors, and rising energy bills. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania performs detailed inspections and tune-ups to identify issues early and restore efficient cooling system operation before major repairs become necessary. Can an AC tune-up help prevent costly repairs? Yes, regular maintenance helps identify worn or failing components before they cause major system failures. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania offers preventative AC tune-up services designed to reduce repair costs and improve the long-term reliability of your air conditioning system. What is your service office for AC tune-up? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local AC tune-up Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Acopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/.